Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add echo to audio in Audacity. So for example, we have here this one audio in our project. So first we need to select part where we want to add echo. If you want add echo to all track, you need to click on the track on the upper side of it. Then audio will be selected from start to the end. But if you would like to add echo only to the part of this audio, you need to select it. For example, I will select this part of audio. And now we need to go to the effect tab. Then we need to go to delay and reverb. And here we have echo settings. I open this one tab. And now I recommend you to set these values on default. Of course, if you want, you can test another values. But in my opinion, these settings are really great. So I click apply button to make changes in my audio. I click here. And then echo will be successfully added to this part of audio. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.